that looks like I've finally set it up correctly. Sorry about the kerfuffle, guys. This is very new and unusual for me. Yeah, so I'm quite happy with that. Just gonna check Facebook just to make sure everything is as it should be. But yeah, in regards to what I'm working on today, I'm just gonna go over the game, make sure it is all ready to stream, and yeah, yep, I am in fact live on Facebook. That has been confirmed, and fantastic. All right, so yes, I'm just gonna go over, play the game in as many ways as I can, figure out what else needs to be fixed. Um, to the best of my knowledge, I think one of the menus is missing the button, and yeah, just having disabling the bullet cache up until I add the effects for the next version, and just outlining what I'm going to be doing in the future. So just moving on to the workspace now. So what I've got at the moment, so all the enemies are acting out as they should. I should probably put comments and everything. Yeah, enemy movement. Oh, hey, cool. I can, okay, so I cannot reply to Facebook chats, but fantastic. I can reply to Twitch chats. Alright, and this is the breakup spawn. Oh wait, that's supposed to be a comment. Yep, so in this version of the game, I will have done the visual reboot, so everything is slightly more refined, and I will have done all the enemy behavior has changed, so every enemy has something different to bring. Yep, so that's a hard candy cherry. Just gonna go through all of the I'm going to go through all of the enemies to make sure that code is looking nice and neat before moving on to the HUD and then performing playtests. So I suppose this is a little bit more chill than what I usually do because I'm usually problem solving, but you know, I want to make sure everything's right. So going into enemies, so that's the boss that'll be coming up later. I've actually got different ideas for how I'm going to spawn it. Candy cane enemy. Yeah, I'm just gonna delete that and just refer to the candy grain as candy cane. Because I do have plans for. There we go. So the candy corn. Yep, it's just got one simple enemy death. It is our simplest enemy. Everything works according to memory. So I'm just gonna save that. The enemy parent. Oh right, yep. All right, so this is what's preventing the items from spawning on top of the explosion. So it's literally moved further back in terms of player view. So I'm just going to add the comment there to say item spawn variety, for example. Right now, it's just the corn cob and the toothpaste. But as I will be adding more items to add variation to gameplay, this will expand and I'll figure out how to do the percentage drops. Yes, good. The gummy should be as is. Shape change, fantastic. And then that's the enemy death. Whoop. Oh, I like that. Fantastic. So there we are. So the enemy parent. I feel like I should be moving these 3. Just for the sake of consistency. I'm just going to grab this, this, and move all of this down. Oh lordy. That works much nicer. Alright, so... Yep. Just gonna line that up like so. And going to grab these and align that with these. So, you know, just before I send out the new update, to make it as easy as possible for me to make this game in the future. But as far as I know, all the logic fits, all the logic works. Yeah, so... Oh. Okay, so I'm happy with that. The hard candy, which we have been refining for the last couple of days, should work as is, that we've just checked. The mint drop, I feel like it's looking a little bit tiny, but I'm just going to add the necessary comments to clean it up. And just because its movement is different to everything else. And it only has 1 death action because it's not actually, it's not dropping an item. It's not adding to the score, I don't think. I have to check that out. Oh. So, yep. And... So that's all about top level enemy. Oh no, the pop rock. That's dropping every 3 seconds. I'm happy with that. Yeah, this really needs to clean up. Alright, so... So this section is covering, alright, bomb drop timer. So it's dropping anywhere between 3 and 7 seconds. So there's a variation in bomb dropping. This is the actual... I don't know why this needs its own... I feel like I'm overcomplicating things. Alright. Bomb spawn. There we go. Ooh. Just gonna grab that where I'm supposed to grab that. And the enemy death is as per the norm, but oh, it only works. Yeah. Actually, this is a sub enemy, so I'm just gonna have a look at one of the, oh no, this is different, because this, that's a little bit weird. Why is this different? Why is this taking a delay? I don't understand what's going on here, because... Okay, so following this line of code, this is one of the sub enemies. We've got if the mint drop collides with the player, we are setting it to explode. After 0.5 seconds, we are dropping the item. If it is not a sub-enemy... Oh wait. Delay. If it's a sub-enemy, so it has a different... Okay, so it adds to the score, and delay, and then enemy death. Okay, so this is the mint drop. So it adds to the score, but not... It doesn't drop an item. Yep. Because if we go into the enemy parent here, and enemy death actions, if it is a sub, if it's the player or a sub, then it just makes a kind of hit reaction. Oh, what's going on? I'm just going to close this and close this. Lighten up my CPU a little bit because I'm noticing I'm getting some skipped frames. Sorry about that, guys. But I don't think... Oh, and I shall enable performance mode. There we go. So that should take some load off my CPU so you guys won't have as much lag. Huh. There we go. So yes, so what that's doing is no items are dropping, but there is going to be a reaction with the smaller. I'm not entirely sure what's going on here, why it's giving that, because looking at any other enemy, I don't think there's that same delay there. I think this is why while I was experimenting. Oh, so the candy cane has a... I forgot to check this. Yep, so I'm going to move this up here. So that's shooting every 3 seconds. And that's really weird that it's giving a delay of 0.01. Have I done that on the... I don't think I did that on the candy corn. No, it does have that really weird delay. Okay, well I'm gonna keep it there because obviously there was a reason. I'm just really confused. Probably should start making notes on why I do very obscure things. If anyone has any insights, feel free to share because I am so lost right now. I'm just gonna move that down like this. Cut this off. So just to clarify what's going on here. So the reason why I have this weird rotation bit is that it's taking -90 and changing the way the actor is pointed. So when it moves off its up vector, which has already been altered to move down the candy cane arm, I want to say. You'll see when it happens. Alright, so up this... Yep. Just writing a comment here, and enemy death. But what I will do, actually, I will just remove this because it's really messing with me, and I don't see a reason for it to be there. Mint drop. Pop Rock doesn't have it. I think I know why that's there. Okay, I know why that's there. Yeah. I know why this is there. I don't know why this is here. Oh well, moving on. I've only got the pop bomb red at the moment, which sits still, auto def after 5 seconds, and so what's going on here? What is going on here? Huh. All right, yep, so this thing has 2 ranges. It has, because a bomb normally has a I suppose, an explosion range. Oh, here you go. You can see it's simulating now. And then it does its explosion if it enters this larger ring. Which, hey, I'm happy with that. So, yep. Okay, so I'm just going to put a comment of explode range. Okay, cool. And it is a sub enemy, and it is the player interacting. Cool. Alright, so I'm just gonna make sure that my player ship is as it should be. Yep, so it runs through all that, the candy corn. Alright, let's just run this through. So we want one successful playthrough. Which will just be... I mean, hopefully I can succeed through this. I know why it feels so intense that I'm playing right now. Feels pretty intense to me. Ah. All right, so I'm just gonna wait for that. See, if I get too close, it's gonna give me a hit. All right, so this is where it starts to get a little bit more complicated. Oh lord. All right, so I didn't do so well. Oh my god. Oh lord. All right, that's okay. Got some toothpaste going there. Well, that's fun. They're all just... Okay, that's problematic. That's okay. Okay. So I'm somewhat surviving with my mediocre gaming skills. I'm just waiting for the next run of enemies to come through. Okay. Well, that is a problem that we have detected, ladies and gentlemen. We have done it. Alright, so it appeared that hard candy, the gummy. Yep. Increase the difficulty. So, got no idea what the fuck went wrong. That's okay. I have a... Okay, so I wanted to do a thing here, I think. So I'm gonna say yeah, okay, so what I want to do is probably put a print command here to check if there are any enemies. So there we go. So I'm gonna put this up here to test what's going on. Enemy test, there we go. Just to see what the issue could have been when it comes to so I should see it in the top left when there are enemies. Yep, there's just one. Easy as 0, so it will start the next spawn. That should make it 4, 3, 0. Cool. I'm just gonna... That's still 1. Fantastic. Ah, there we go. Okay, so there should be 5 spawning in a second. Yep. Oh lord, there's a we've got one hiding, protecting the other. Oh lord. So 5 again. Okay, that did not go as planned. I should make myself a god mode. Oh lord. Ah! I am not great at this game. Oh no. Okay, that's not ideal. Okay, so that for some reason, I'm just gonna move off here and have a look at what's going on. Okay, so it's going straight through to the medium, and for some reason it's just not registering. Right. I understand what I understand the mistake that I've made. So if we have a look over here, we have the wave count, and that was not connected down here. So, yep, just moving that down here. And so that's why we never got that spawn. But, you know, just for my ease of mind, because I suck at this game, I'll be honest. I'll have to have a look at difficulty changes later on. But just for my peace of mind, what I might do is... There we go. At the moment, just break that connection. And I'm just going to make a comment here to reconnect. Reconnect for release. And I'm going to make this comment color like red. Like, do it. Alright, cool. So yeah, when I'm yay back, I'll be like, oh, there's a red thing here. Alright, so cool. So that's been fixed up because I think that's what made the game unplayable in the beginning. So now it's at normal sizing. Let's hit it hard. Alright, I don't know why, but it's made everything really slow. Oh lordy. I wonder what's going on that it's gone so slow. Alright, I'm just gonna play it as is. I've got unlimited bullets, so I'm all good. Oh, look at that tiny little explosion. At least I'm doing much better in the oh, and yes, they disappear after a while. Because I'm evil like that. Oh, you are hiding. Cool. Oh, they disappear at the same time. That's so evil. I'm an evil, evil person. Alright. Alright, that's going as it should. At least the bullets aren't homing. God, I can't even imagine. So that needs to be changed to a small explosion when it does. This doesn't make much sense for it to have a large explosion. Oh yeah, here it comes. Here it comes. Comes from either side now. Alright, cool. So now I've figured out why that works or doesn't work. Alright, I feel like they're spawning a little bit too much on screen. Yeah, but this game is much too easy when you've got unlimited bullets. I don't know, maybe the speed is affecting that. What? Okay, cool, whatever. I roll with it. I'm not sure what wave this is. Obviously, one of the things that I would be inclined to add is a wave counter. And for some reason, they all spawned at the same time. So this is another one of those things that I would fix because that's really weird. Oh lord. I mean, the play area is looking like pretty fair at the moment. Oh god. Yeah, okay. That's really weird that that happened. So I think this is the 5th wave where the I don't know why I just risked my life to boop. Oh lordy. Okay. They're coming from everywhere now. Except for the bottom. That's a safe place. It's my safe space. But yeah, obviously you're going to have to increase maneuverability when they're coming from all sides. So I'm happy with that. And just because I can. Oh lord. Okay, so that thing. Okay, so nothing was missed, which was weird because I should take that out if, you know, it's impossible for them to go off screen. So I'm just gonna press endless mode. No, I'm going to leave that off for now. And so now this is going to be a... So it's going straight into skipping the boss intro. So I suppose it's really weird. Alright, so... Okay, so I should add that quit button. So I'm just going to press enter. Yep, cool. I'll change the rotation back to 0, 0 again. And this time, oh, I can't run out of bullets. Alright, I can still commit suicide, I guess. There we go. So, endless mode. Cool, so that's been... Okay, so as... So, yep, this game mode is just for as long as you can survive. I obviously can't... okay. So that's where I need to change up the... That's where I need to end the screen. Cool. That's good to know because I was going to add borders for the in the future. Alright, so that gave me an endless mode. Health left, yep. And that's amazing. Alright, so I'm going to turn that off. Alright, so things that I need to add is probably... Okay, so... Why is this not responding? I thought I changed the comment color and everything. Oh, there it is. Alright, that's fine. Like, that's a thing that happened. Alright, so now that I see that the game is functioning the way that I want, I'm just going to check all the menus. So, yep, press quit to escape. Press escape to quit. Press start. Gonna run out of bullets. Press enter to try again. That works. Okay, that's not ideal. Okay. that works, which is good. Now I'm just gonna shoot everything off. Huh. Okay. So that's something not ideal because so I have this rule set in place that if there is I'm gonna try that again actually. Okay, that needs to be fixed. Just, oh, now it's running normally. Okay. There we go. So while this is on screen, it's all good. Okay, so... Alright. So what I'm going to do is go over to spawn bullet point, and right now it's checking for ammo. It's spawning the class, but what I should be doing is making this check much earlier. Yep, alright, so what I will do is grab this check and move it all the way. Actually, I'm just going to copy paste this because... Oh wait, hold on. Hold on. If it's 0 and if it's equal to less than, yeah, so I'm gonna move this down here for the time being. Yep, so this should have been put much earlier. So it's making the check before anything else. So what I'm going to do is grab all of this and move it up. Oh lordy. Move all of this so that it reduces the bullet after it's checked that it's not a thing. So plugging this, oh no, it's off. It's off by a few units. It's gonna be messing with me. Yeah, that's right. So it's performing the check for ammo before doing anything. Oh wait, yeah, before launching the bullet, which is what we want. So if it's equal or less than 0 and there are no ammo bits, then okay. So this is why we do these checks, because yeah. Oh, actually, no, that's not very clean, is it? Alright, so I'm gonna grab this, move this down. Okay, but it's about to get very messy if I move all that stuff across. So what I'm going to do is this. Move this up. Move this to the right. Yeah, because then I don't want all of that mess to be messing with this mess. It's just gonna get messy. Alright, but what we do want is probably to move this up and move this down. Oh lord. There we go. Not the whole thing, just these things. There we go. I'm gonna move. Leave you where you're at, because you're good where you're at. And move these bits down. Make it look nice and pretty. Yep, and then just... There we go. We are keeping our code nice and clean and readable. We like that. That's a good thing. It's good coding practices. I'm gonna move this back. Gonna move these forward. And then... There we go. So right now it's checking if there is ammo on screen before releasing the next round of ammo, which is exactly what we want. Because right now we're having that weird thing where you effectively have to commit suicide because you've run out of ammo. Which, I mean, is probably realistic on a battleground, but, you know, like... Meh. Alright. Alright, that's another thing I have to add. I have to add the instructions. Oh lord. That works. Oh wait, hold on. I didn't want to do that. that didn't drop anything. Okay, so there we go. That's gonna die soon. Woo! Alright, so hopefully that works as intended. I'm just gonna close that for now. Alright, so things we want to do. I think I've done everything that I could possibly want to do. Yeah, I've done everything I could possibly want to do. Alright, so moving on to oh wait, no, hold on. I wanted to check in with the enemy parent because it was having this really weird thing, hit small, I think. Yeah, so just to play it through again, I think I had this weird explosive thing that was happening. I'm just gonna clear myself of bullets so that I've got more enemy variety as soon as I come in. Okay, so what I want is a candy cane to shoot at me. There we go. So I'm going to remain still. So, yep. It continues moving after I... Okay, I'm gonna go over here. Right. Right. That's not correct because it should not be setting a flip book. It should be running these things. Alright, so it's a good thing I checked because this is incorrect. The explosion should not be moving. Yep, we are destroying the actor and then doing all that stuff. Yep, so moving all this back. It's destroying the actor and then doing all of the things that it usually does. Okay, that's weird. So it's a sub enemy. Oh, right, gotcha. There we go. So, pop bomb bread. It doesn't drop any items. But that should be... Oh. Really confused. What? Wait, what? What have I done? Oh. Wait. Oh, my brain is breaking. What have I done? That's not right.
You live in a different world.
Bread. What? Okay. I'm just gonna open up the candy trunk because I'm so confused. How have I done it here? Oh, that's looking messy. Alright, just comment that. Just gonna move this up. So what have I got going on here? Oh, this is a sub-enemy. So, yeah, that's what we want. Oh, hey! Don't breathe. I've got no idea who you are, but welcome to the stream. What have we got? Yeah, so what have we got? So sub and sub-enemy, so that should be doing as is. And the mint drop looks exactly the same. Alright, so hopefully, this should work. Oh wait, yeah, I'm gonna waste my bullets so that I can get that. Oh lord. Oh my god. Yeah, why not? Got this going here. Yes, I want to be shot at.
They talk about another kind of world.
Okay, so...
What are you afraid of?
Oh! I see. There isn't a second branch at the top here. That's what's been messing with me. Alright, so... And... Yep. That can sit down here, that works. And now I'm going to go over and... Alright, I'm gonna go over to that mint drop and do the same thing there. Then go through each of the hard candy chunks and fix it up from there. Oh, my brain. I'm gonna get myself some water because this is... Luckily, water is only a few steps away now. Alright. So. Upon review. We have discovered that some of the... I have an inconsistency in my code, which is something I have to fix up later. We have noticed that all the enemies appear to be acting as required. What I do want to do, actually, I want to go into the player ship, and I want to add that area down the bottom. Yeah, okay. So I have to, now that I've changed the way that my enemies move, I do actually have to kind of cut this entire thing down and sort out this code as well. So I'll just make a note for myself. Change. That's fine. This is an arcade top-down shooter inspired by a combination of Asteroids and Space Invaders. So yeah, it comes in. Oh, nice. Nice. Game devs unite. Yeah, so but the premise is a kid is really scared of going to the dentist, and this whole game is supposed to kind of reduce the stigma around that. And yeah, that's what I'm trying to. I mean, I'm still scared of going to the dentist, so I kind of feel a little bit of a hypocrite. But you know, it's just to introduce a kind of, I don't know, a positive spin on a unnecessarily hated industry. And at the end, when I incorporate the narrative, I'm going to be adding a bill at the end of how well you did versus how not well you did. And the parent might comment on the affordability. But yeah, like I'm trying to kind of make this like a semi-serious game, I guess. Either way, yeah. Exactly. But in the long run, you're gonna have teeth. So you know, that's good. There are some people who don't have teeth and have to pay a lot of money for fake teeth, as opposed to the free ones you get when you're born, or you know, being conceived. This is why this isn't a child-friendly channel. I don't know when I'm going to be talking about the events that happen within an ovary. Within a womb. It's in that general area. Yes, alright, so enemy spawn bullshit. Okay, so it's something I have to fix up. And wouldn't it be scary if I put in like how many teeth you lose? That's crazy. Oh, how many teeth you prevented losing? Yeah, so what did I want to do? I wanted to make one of these spawn boxes, but down the bottom as well. So I'm just gonna grab this, copy paste, and make this a bottom. And so -400. Yeah. Okay, that should work. So yes, it is spawning somewhere between 0 and 350, which is the width of the screen, and spawning somewhere below you, because that's fucking terrifying. And then, boop, we don't want to do that. Oh lord. I mean, this looks messy. I swear there's method to the madness. What I will do is I will move all of this down a little bit. There we go. Move this along. Move all of this along. There we go. I mean, I can still read it. That's a plus, right? Oh, I didn't move it enough. That's alright, I shall now move this back. Okay, yeah, that works. I'm happy with that. Alright, so we have a random point in bounding box. And that's the box extent. And we are adding this to the all sides. So I'm going to plug this into number 1 because computers count from 0. Put this in number 2. I'm going to put this in number 3. So that's going to spawn from all sides, and that's going to do what it does naturally. Fantastic. Alright, so let's have a look through here, because I don't think that I'm just gonna change all of these to 0 because they're spawning at different locations, and I don't know what it's gonna spawn as. Oh well, I mean, yeah, it's because it's coming in from Oh wait, hold on. The fuck am I doing? All of these are used to compare, so if I take all this out, it's just leaving me with the set spawn boxes. Oh, I'm a genius! Sorry, didn't mean to yell. I'm just really excited that I figured this out. Alright, in that case, I just need 3 of these. Okay, so yeah, because I've got 3 different areas that they come out of. Alright, that makes my code a lot lighter. Alright, so set the spawn box, set the spawn box. I can't believe how easy that was. Alright, well, I mean, let's move these around so that they look nicer. Move these down. Okay, so there's 3 different spawn locations. These can be moved back now. So I'm gonna move this. Gonna move these. Okay, so that's much less complicated. Which is nice. We like less complicated. There is enough complications. Oh, hello, Manny Frog. Yeah, so we have got the all side spawn, the two side spawn, and yep. Cool, so now they also spawn on the bottom in hard mode. Ha 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 ha, I feel so evil. Cool. Oh, what's this? Oh, game mode. And the boss introduction, yes, for when I incorporate the boss. Okay, fantastic. Alright. Playership. Full disclosure, I started this as part of a uni project. And I just haven't renamed it, but it is now called the Karoot. So I shall rename it to Karoot. It's just never Karoot. Karoot. There we go. It is the Karoot ship. Oh, okay. Good night. Alright, cool. Alright, so I fixed everything up. Oh, right, I wanted to make the changes to the HUD. So that's the game status display. And we are going to close everything except for... Where's the instructions? I've forgotten where I put it. Canvas panel. Yes, might be this one. No, not this one. Okay, yeah, that's what comes up. Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. This is candy and veggies. No, that's the menu. That's just a canvas. Oh, there we go. That's the intro. Alright, that's what we want to make changes to. Alright, so I want to be moving this entire thing down some. Oh god, what have I done? Alright, okay, we are... Oh, cool, I can hold shift. Oh, no, that did not help. How do I... does it... Uh-oh, alright. Oh, damn it. Okay, so the width of it is gonna be 55. Ah, there we go. I want to move this to the top. And so that's 250 minus half 25, 262.5? Oh, minus. That was very important. Yeah, that looks about right. The width of that is really easy. 200. Minus 42.5. And this is like practically nothing. Cool. What I want to be doing is adding another text box. No, adding some text. And text block. Rotate with J L keys. That makes sense. Yep, that works. And we want to be changing it to the good old Roboto. Where is it? No, not Roboto. There we go. Gonna be changing that to black. Black like my soul. My soul isn't black. I'm a happy person. Everything's okay, guys. Ah, where is it? There we go. I'm gonna change that font size to 40. Gonna change the box to just fit that. Gonna say it's 425. That works. And we want to make it, we want to anchor it to the center. And its X position is negative 212.5. Not sure why I put an accent on that. You know what? I have my answer. Why not? That is my answer. Lock in those lyrics. There we go. So, that should work now. Did I want to change those menus? I believe I wanted to change those menus. Alright, so I'm happy with that. I'm going to lock that off. So now people know that they can rotate and have some fun with the game. And so we're going to close that. So the win. Okay. What I might do then? I mean, for the people that don't know how to, like, that they can press Alt 4, I guess. But I will start with the win panel. Oh, there we go, the win panel. Let's see. There's a quit button? When did that come up? Why is that under everything? 1, 2. Where is it? Okay, I'm gonna... Oh. I don't see it. I don't understand. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is... Oh, my brain is breaking. Okay, so I'm going to lock everything else. I don't know why I'm not seeing this. Has it got 0 opacity or something? Is focusable? Yes. Is visible? Yes. Is enabled. Oh, my brain is breaking. Wait, I'll just drink some water. Water is good for solving your real problems. Alright, so... for some reason, it just doesn't exist. Oh, this is the menu panel. Oh my god, what have I done? What have I done? Ah! Alright, that's okay. Okay, so that's 100 units wide, so this should be 100 units from the center. No wonder. Alright, so I'm going to turn that off and lock it because I was looking in completely the wrong direction. Alright, so there's an endless mode, there's a try again mode. What I'm going to do is I am going to go back. No wonder I'm breaking my brain over this. I'm not even looking the right place. I'm going to duplicate this. And I'm going to chuck it into the win panel and figure it out from there. Yes, good. Oh, I forgot the where am I gonna put the quit? I'll figure it out. I'll just unlock that and oh, this entire thing is locked. There we go. I'll just put this up here. That works. Yeah, that looks like it. Alright, or I could just put a little X. I could do that. Or I could just go over into... Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna make a little quit button. Alright, let's go over into GIMP then. Because I really want to finish off this menu and be done with it and release this and adopt all my lovely beta testers. That would make me really happy. And I'm gonna move my GIMP startup to where it should be. Alright. That was weird. I'm just gonna move GIMP to the top so you guys can see what I'm doing. And did they update it or something? It looks weird. Anyway, new. No, let's just start with let's just start with my good old 16 by 16 and work our way out from there, shall we? Alright, so the button style that we have is a dark blue background with the candy theme around it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do my super zoom. Gonna get my palette out. Gonna start making the border so it's dark around the edges, darker at the corners. And yep. Alright. I mean, the fortunate part is that it's gonna be all the same, so I only need to make one side, technically. Alright. Oh, so the image, just to clarify, you're asking about what I'm using to make pixel art in? Or are you asking about the game engine that I'm using? Because the game engine is Unreal Engine. The image modification program I'm using is called GIMP, which is a freeware. It's open source and people are constantly adding to it. This is version 10.2, I believe. Yeah, and it's really great free software. I don't want to use cracked software just as for my integrity as an artist. Yeah, so this is really great. Yeah, so I use either GIMP for editing, or I use, and this one's super cute, Pixel Studio. So this is where I do my animations. So this is where I do my animations. That's the one that I posted up on Reddit. Oh, nice. That's amazing. Yeah, so the reason is because when you're making frames in GIMP, you have layer groups on top of layers. Layer groups, which have basically, it's overly complicated. I prefer Pixel Studio. I love that it's cross-platform, which means the pixel art that I make on the bus, I can take over to my computer to continue animation, so that works really well. So yeah, this is super cute. I'm now going to close this and get back to doing this. So yeah, so that be what I'd do. So I can have a cute little quit button, which you can't really interact with yet, but that looks about right. I'm just gonna copy paste into a new layer. flip the bitch. Did they change things? I swear they changed things. But I probably think that every time I open this program. Which one is the flip button? Oh, my brain. Did they change something? Did I open the wrong GIMP? I don't think so. Oh, this messes with me so bad every time. Oh, there it is. There it is. I found the flip button, guys. We're all good. And we are horizontally flipping. Isn't that nice? Then I'm just gonna move that across. Oh, that looks so cute. I love that. I have used Krita. No, I shall now Google it. Bear with me. Googling in process. Yeah, because I went on this whole huh. I'll look into it. Because one of the hardest things that I find, because I think I downloaded like 20 pieces of software and only liked GIMP and Pixel Studio. Yeah, so I'll look into it. But primarily the hardest thing was to come by was ease of pixel art stuff. I'm looking into getting Aseprite, but I use the free version, which doesn't allow you to save. And I think I just had trouble wrapping my mind around it, but I see that's what a lot of pixel artists are using. So yeah, so I've just started the Krita download, I think. Yeah, I've started the download, and I'll look into it. Maybe I'll make a exploratory stream, and I'll be like, my man Manny Frog suggested it. You should download it. Yeah. Because I obviously sound like that. I'm so cool. Oh, wow. The cringe. The cringe is strong in this one. What is going on? There we go. Move that to the bottom. Yep. Anchor that down. Paste again. Transform. New layer. Layer, transform, and rotate it either way 90 degrees. Move it and merge down. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Oh, hey, cool. Sorry, this is my first time trying multi-stream because today I am streaming on both Twitch and Facebook, and at the moment I don't know if Facebook chatters can chat back or what, but yeah, that's the current confusion that's going on. And so I'm gonna be merging this down again and grabbing this, copy paste. And then filling in the middle with blue. There we go. Oh, that looks so cute. I'm so happy with that. So I'm going to be saving this as quit button. Quit. Because we're quitters. Yep. And then I'll export that. Oh, well, I mean, I'll look up the sizing of the rest of my menu stuff. Menu items. Yeah. Just don't mind me. I'm just file browsing. I forgot where I put literally anything. Okay, bullet cache. I found bullet cache. How big is it? No clue. Alright. That's alright. I can just add the dimensions to the number of details that pop up. Come here, my sweet dimensions. I wish to look at you. Alright, so that's 100 wide. So that works from 16, I think. Or I could just, you know, percent. Do it all good old percentage wise. $650%, 625%. Hey. All right, and zooming out. Oh, that looks so. Oh no, not so adorable. All right. That's all right. What I can do is I can just fix this up. I don't know. It feels like my like bullet cache and everything just looks a lot more chunky. So I shall get the chunk from the bullet cache and compare the chunk. I really like this. I'm just gonna add that to the little playlist. Yes. Astrim. Oh no, come back. I didn't mean to do that. How do I edit it? I'll just create a new playlist. Wow. Astrim. Alright, there we go. So, let's do some pixel measuring. Pixel loves to pixel measure. Alright, so that is 10 wide. And so this one is only 6 wide. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is... Okay. I've just come to a conclusion of how I could do this easier. I am now going to make this tiny again. Yes, good. Except I'm going to scale this image down to 10 by 10 pixels and, you know, clean it up as required. Aw, how cute is that? That's adorable. I love it. I'm keeping it. Alright, cool. And now we are going to supersize it by 1000%. Yeah. I don't know, like, there was a weird pause there because I was thinking dollars and I'm like, wait, what? Yeah, so I'm now going to scale this up by 1000%. I can't believe it, but it actually looks cuter than what I was doing before. Alright, so. No, this doesn't look right. This is not supposed to be this big. Uh-oh. Okay. Not what I intended. Image, scale image. Oh, I had scaled it up by... There we go. Yeah, that looks a lot more normal. I had taken it up by 1000 pixels instead of 1000%, which would have made it 100 pixels. My brain just took a second to figure that out. Alright, so now we are going to go over back to GIMP. It's going to move that stuff around. So moving GIMP down. Fantastic. Just going to make sure you guys can see what I see. You see what I see, more or less. I'm looking at a window management program thing. Alright, performance mode, because the last thing we want is lag. Alright, so I am now destroying this button. And I am adding, going over to the play level, art assets, the HUD. Where is the HUD? Images, HUD, and loading in that super cute square that I just made. And what did I call it? I called it quit. So copying that. I'm so glad you guys can't see my file structure. It's a fucking mess right now. So tossing that in here. I'm gonna do that usual thing that I do every time, which is changing the filter to nearest so that it cleans it up. It does these weird things, but it's fine. Going over to the back to the HUD. The game status display. Bringing in an image, changing that image to I am not sure what's going on. Oh, right, yeah, so every time I click, it would create a new material just because of the way it lines up. And it confused me for so long. I couldn't figure out why my images weren't loading. It's because you need to hold and click and search your assets. So, quit. Yep. So now I needed to make that image size. Made that. Oh, how cute is that? Oh my god, I can't handle it. I can't handle how cute it is. Oh my god. Alright. Yeah, that doesn't really help my situation. I'm gonna have to do my famous super zoom. God, I'm nauseating. Yeah, that looks like it. That looks about right. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my god, I can't handle it. I can't handle it. Alright, so this is shit. Allow me to just actually change this to a button. After all that kerfuffling. Alright, so style. Normal. No, we don't want that. We want this to be That's okay. The important part is that we figured out how to do it properly eventually. Alright, so how cute is that? I can't get over how cute it is. Oh my god. Alright. Sorry, I've been sitting on my leg. My leg is now screaming at me to stop sitting on it, so I'm just adjusting my legs. There we go. Oh, actually, it's been over an hour into my stream. I'm gonna get up and stretch. Oops. So, just taking a little break. But yeah, if anyone feels like having a little chat, this is the ideal time, but I'm just gonna stretch out my legs a little bit. Stretch towards the ceiling. Oh, I can feel those cracks in my back. Leaning left. Oh, another crack. Leaning right. No cracks. Strainer things. That's actually really clever. It took me a second to like pick up what you were meaning, but my brain was slow. That's all I'm saying. I'm just really proud of my little X. I forgot to put an X on it. Alright. I will fix that in a second. Oh, pins and needles. Fuck. Okay, I'm actually the biggest bitch when it comes to pins and needles. If anyone tries to touch me, I'm like, I will gut you in your sleep. Or you will wake up without an eyebrow. I'm not fucking kidding. So I'm just gonna remain really still for a second. Because I can't really get angry at myself for moving, because that was probably absolutely oh my god, necessary. So how's your day going? I know laughing is making me move. See, I bitch like this, but I was the one who was sitting on my leg. Oh, okay, cool. That might happen because there were a few skipped frames, like yonks ago, an hour ago, so it might still be trying to catch up. Oh my god. Oh, okay. Pins and needles are gone. We're all good. I'm gonna continue stretching. Oof. There we go. Oh, nice. So what kind of game are you working on now that I'm not like game, 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 game? So a tropical environment, is that some kind of survival or which direction are we going with this? I was gonna add you as a friend. You seem cool. Be friended. Ooh, pirate theme. That's gonna be fun. Alright. You know what would be fun? If you had like, I mean, I feel like it would be a little bit insensitive to the current situation, but there's a certain amount of time before the volcano erupts and you've got to like run around looking for the treasure based on a bunch of hints. But yeah, I agree. Like all the banners that I make, I'm just like, okay, just, you know, but I reckon that would be like a really funny time limit game. I don't know, like I love exploring, so you know, like you just making worlds is exactly my jam. I like making narratives for players to interact with. I'm more of a story-driven person. Well, no, I probably should be using my posture trainer. My boobs are kind of weighing me down. It's not good for my neck. Oh god, that was a good click. Mhm. Oh. Ah, cool. Well, I'm feeling much better. Revitalized. My one might. What was that? One might say. There we go. All right. Back to. All right. One more thing that I probably needed to do. I'm gonna go into the bullet and make sure to take off that ugly collision box, make it invisible again. That's something I keep forgetting about. So, bullet. And go into viewport. No visibility. You shall not be visible. Well, hey, I've got a few people that are interested in voice acting, so, you know, if you send me an email, you know, I'll send you their contact, their email, so you can be like, hey, Pixel Mixery sent me for voice acting and stuff. So, you know, that can be networking stuff, because, yeah, I've got a few artists, like, concept artists, lots of musicians that want to make game music, apparently. This one guy keeps, like, messaging me, be like, do you need game music? I'm just like, I'm sorry, I've already got one for the game I'm working on now, but definitely the next one. I'm so sorry. So yeah, like, get in touch, send me an email as just a business contact. I'd be down for that. Cool. What was I doing? HUD stuff. Alright, switching over back to GIMP. Alright, yeah. Forgot to switch over my scenes again. Slap that on top. Alright, so let's reduce this image to 1/10 of its size again. Oh, yes. More back cracks. More back snaps. And I'm just gonna do that in white. Oh lord, what have I done? That works. Yeah, that works. Oh, right, yeah, maybe, because concept artists like to be on board as early as possible. And yeah, if you don't have a script for voiceovers, for voice actors, what's the point? But I get what you're saying. Let's just make this big again. Let's bug it. Oh, no, I'm not trying to print this. I do not have a printer. Nor do I have a desire to print this particular one. Alright, cool. Quit button. Oh, there we go. And back to Unreal. Let's go. And let's re-import that image. That's probably the easiest part of today. Images. HUD. Yeah, but it's been really weird, huh? No, but you did. Oh. Yeah, I'm. That was terrible. No, I didn't tell my back a joke. It's just being a bitch. Wait, exporting it, replacing, going into Unreal, re-importing. Oh, what are you doing? Re-importing, appreciating. Nice. All right, so this one, it's the quit button. I wonder if I go into this menu, if I go into the menu thing, quit button, does it have behaviors that I can copy across? I suppose because I don't actually... What? Oh. It's alright, I appreciate your humor. Also, I've got some finger guns pointed at you. Yeah. Oh god. What's going on here, by the way? Oh, so I've had 1,651 dropped frames, which is 1%. So that's nice. Oh hey, cool. 4.5 kilobytes upload per second. 4,500, not 4.5. Yeah, I can just add the escape thing under it until I figure out how to. Pew pew pew. Oh, it's gonna be a joke now. So a little bit of backstory. I don't know if you've checked out my site yet, but I'm a disabled student with a few disabilities, which massively destroy my quality of life. So I've started using Unreal in March as part of uni. So that was learning about that, and then I had a few file corruptions and whatnot. And what I hadn't realized was that I was actually living in illegal housing during my first, in the last like 8 months. So, and my landlord was getting really tough at the end of it, which was making my disabilities a lot worse. So trying to make stuff around all of that and uni has been horrific. So yeah, that's why I would like to be further along with this game, but my health doesn't allow it. Like, it's coming onto the 1.5 hour mark. It's getting really hard to talk and a little bit to breathe. My back is starting to constrict. It's, yeah. So yeah, since March, but I'm really enjoying it. It makes me really happy, and I love creating experiences, and I'm just, yeah, so I'm having a great time. All right, that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to go into, what was it? So if this is the hard candy, I wanted to go into the mint drop and do that. Yeah, okay. So I'm going into that. Cement drop. And stitching that into there. Gotta make my code nice and clean. So yeah, that was the really long kind of additional info answer, but the short answer is since March. So not very, yeah, pretty new. Do it when I can. Obviously, that's the complicated part. All right, but I really wanna ship this today, so I'm gonna keep pushing through it. All right, so wanna be copy pasting that. Just gonna put that underneath there. Probably in a black, now that I think about it. It's not particularly visible. There we go, that works. And change the visibility for these. How about you? How long have you been working with Unreal? Oh yeah, I'm now living by myself, and yeah, I'm really happy because now I can make jelly whenever I want. Okay, that's nice. Yeah, I'm living in my own house. I've got my own freezer space. I can make jelly every day. I'm not scared to use anything. So yeah, I'm really happy now. It's been great. Yep, so that lines up well. So people can now know they can do that. I'm just gonna copy this. Okay, apparently that's not a thing. Alright, that's alright. I can just grab this and grab this, copy it, go into the lose panel. Where are you? Why don't I see you? Oh, there you are. Gonna slap that into the top corner. Slap this into the top corner. Oh, no. No, 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 no. I'm not seeing this. You know what? I'm choosing not to see it. No one will notice. No one will notice. Yes. The important part is it. Yep. Oh, nice. Congratulations. I wish I could participate. But yeah. That's fantastic. I hear that they're really amazing places to, you know, have really great experiences and meet amazing people. You know, besides conventions, of course. All right, that's cool. Now I've just gotta edit that visibility. Oh, that's really weird. Yeah, all right. All right, so visibility is to lose. Or game over. That works. Game over. No, it's my different menus. One menu is like 2 or 3 pixels up from the rest of the menus, and I was just like, you know what? No one's gonna notice. They come on at different times. If someone's using a fucking pixel ruler, that's nitpicking. Fuck all of you. So I'm just letting it go. It's not worth it. It's not worth my sanity. Alright, so that's game over and game over. I'm going to go up and just check that win panel. Yep, win and... Oh, good thing that I checked. Win. And the menu panel just has... Yeah, cool. Alright, so I'm just going to play this through. Make sure that everything works. Okay, that obviously doesn't. Oh. All right, cool. Let's go into it and just go into the intro panel and just fix that because no. Oh, cool. You can navigate. What? You can navigate it. I don't know what that means. I'll figure it out later. Ah, my brain. My brain. No. This one. This one. Let's bind the behaviors. Shades of visibility. The intro. Oh fuck you! Now you're definitely gonna do it. I'm actually not posting this on Steam for ethical reasons. I'm posting it up on itch.io and GameJolt. Primarily because they take the lowest percentage from game developers, and secondly because it's going to go to continuing to power the site and spreading their capacity to publish kind of left of center games that they know that might not necessarily sell well, but they want people to have the, ability to post games. And GameJolt, which I don't have much experience with, but if it's an indie platform, then it's an indie platform. Because Steam will actually turn out games. And I don't think that's right. Anyway. Okay. I'm almost to it. I just need to make one last check. One last check. Alright. That's working as it should be. Why can't I move the... Okay. Yep. Okay, I think that's everything. That's everything that I can think of. If there is a bug, I'm sure someone will tell me about it. Oh, my body's destroyed. Okay. I think that's it. Alright. Yay. Alright, I think I got done everything that I'd like to get done. I edited the menus. I made those last few edits on enemy behavior to make sure that works. Edited some things that I caught along the way. I'll be changing the background later, but this game, I think as of today, depending how long it takes me to recover from this stream, will be available for download with all the menus working. I will be recruiting beta testers to give me feedback. Just make sure to follow on socials and you'll get to know where I'm at in my process and where I'm going next. Alright, well, thank you, Manny Frog, for dropping by. And who was the other cool guy? I think it's like Dog something. There we go, don't breathe. Or do not breathe.